What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for all the new people here, hi, my name is Eva, and yeah, as you can see, I like bikes. Today, you're riding with me through Grimsel Pass, so get ready for some seriously breathtaking views. Grimsel Pass, located in the Swiss Alps, is a motorcyclist's dream and one of the most thrilling rides in the region. Spanning about 19 miles in length and reaching an elevation of 2,164 meters above sea level, this high-altitude route offers tight hairpin turns, steep climbs, and jaw-dropping landscape that will get your adrenaline pumping. With around 30 hairpin turns, each twist in the road offers a new, dramatic view of peaks and glacial lakes, making it challenging yet rewarding ride. Grimsel Pass isn't just about the ride itself, it's a key link in a network of iconic passes. From here, you can easily connect to the legendary Furka, Susten, and Newfoundland passes, creating your own epic loop through the Swiss Alps. These connections allow you to experience a variety of thrilling roads, each with its own set of challenges and spectacular scenery, ensuring you will never get bored. Whether you're chasing the perfect curve or taking in panoramic vistas, Grimsel Pass is at the heart of an unforgettable alpine adventure. Passes open year-round, but weather conditions can be unpredictable, especially from November to April, when snow and ice can make the road more challenging. From late spring to early autumn, Grimsel Pass is one of the most accessible and thrilling routes for the riders seeking adventure in the heart of the Swiss Alps. And now, enjoy the views. you can see it got a little bit jammy at some point. Hopefully those few minutes have inspired and encouraged you enough to pack your bags, jump on your bike and head out for an epic adventure. I'll see you on the road, guys.